Today I'm going to go over how to replace the windshield wiper blades in this 2026 Jeep Wrangler. Now I think this is going to be the same for most Jeeps, but definitely from 2018 to 2026 and maybe beyond. If yours looks the same, it probably is. So here's our wiper blade. Now this can sit up like so. Let's go wide angle there. One thing is when you remove this arm is metal. So one thing you can do just for safety, if it's your first time doing this, is just put something there. So if this flops down, it does not put a chip in your windshield. So I'm going to show you the mechanism here. This is the button. You press that button down and then you pull the blade out. All right, and so press that guy in, pull, and wiggle a little. It takes a little wiggle. Now when you put it in, this kind of wants to fight you, so you got to put it in there, and it pops out of the hole there, and we are on and secure. Make sure this comes through, otherwise it can come out. If you kind of like tilt it, it pops out. I think there's a little safety mechanism on there. One thing to note is sometimes when you buy windshield wiper blades, they come with different attachments. They'll come with like 3 different attachments, so they fit a lot more vehicles. So just make sure you put this attachment on if you buy that style. I will try to link in the description a wiper blade that will automatically just go on and work, because that's why you're here. You're here to see it. You're here to find a good wiper blade and get it done. Now I'm going to slide this back in and we're going to move to the rear of the vehicle. But before that, I just want to say this uses the same size wiper blade on both sides. I'll link that in the description. And it's the same process on the other side. You'll just have to flip it up to get it out. But it's all the same thing and it will work the same way. Another note is cleaning the windshield. This is relatively clean, but if you have a bunch of dirt and grime, you don't want to put brand new wiper blades on there and then rub those through a bunch of dirt and grime. So clean the windshield, run some wiper fluid over it, and get it nice and clean. First up, we're going to open the hatch to get the tire out of the way, or door, hatch, door. Let me know in the comments what I should call that. And we get to our wiper blade here. This guy comes out. This is super easy. This twists like that and comes off, and then I'll do a close-up here so you can see exactly how that works. And it goes back on like so. So this guy rotates and it clips out. And you'll see there's the mechanism. It's D-shaped. So it slides in one way, and then once it's in, it hooks. Oh no, I'm losing it. There we go. And that's in. And then it pops into place. And that's how you do the rear wiper blade as well. If this is helpful, give a thumbs up. We'll catch you next time.